in the place, in your face. It's your boy. That boy can cook, back at you again. As you seen what's in the pot already, you saw when you started this video, I lifted that pot up. You saw what was in that pot? Yeah, we making a good old fashioned, delicious jambalaya. Let's waste no time. Let's jump right into it and make this awesome, delicious, beautiful dish. Yeah. All right, here's your ingredients. We got garlic, olive oil, bell peppers, onions, celery, salt and pepper, in-house Cajun seasoning, tomato paste, chicken, rice, chicken broth, and sausage. All right, let's go ahead and get our chicken seasoned up. I got about a teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So we just gonna sprinkle, get it all in there. And then let's just mix it up. Make sure it's all combined. Make sure each piece of chicken got some seasoning on it. Yeah. Now let's go ahead and add us 2 tablespoons of olive oil to our pot. And let's just make sure and heat that oil. Get that oil hot. Now let's go ahead and get our sausage in our pot. And we're just gonna, let's cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes. Just to let those juices release. So we can start soaking up that flavor. Yeah. So all right, after 2 or 3 minutes, we want to take them out. You don't want to burn them. You don't want to overcook them. You want them just right, baby. They're supposed to look like that right there. Yeah. Let's go ahead and get our chicken in there. Let's get that all in there. And make sure you spread it out. You don't want to crowd your pan. So your chicken will cook evenly. And now let's throw some more of that Cajun seasoning on top of that chicken, baby. Yeah. Hit it with that Cajun. There we go. And we're just gonna cook this chicken for about 90% done. So we're gonna cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. And we should be looking like this right here. So these are ready. Let's go ahead and get them out of the pot. Yeah, chicken looking good. Smelling even better. Okay, now let's go ahead. We're gonna throw our onions in the pot, same pot. We ain't gonna wash it or nothing. Throw our bell peppers in that pot too. Get them on in there. Don't forget about the celery. That's that holy trinity, y'all. Yeah. Now all we gotta do, let's just stir it up, mix it in. All right, let's go ahead and get our tomato paste in there. I say we're gonna use about a tablespoon. So get you a tablespoon of tomato paste in there. Get you a half tablespoon of garlic in there. And we're just gonna mix that up and make sure everything is combined. Got it smelling lovely in here. Yeah. Go ahead and add your rice. And we're just gonna toast our rice for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Just make sure it's toasted. Then we're gonna mix it up with the peppers, tomato paste, and the garlic. Don't forget that celery. So let's just mix that all up and get it all combined. And it should be looking like this right here. There we go. That's what you want right there. Yeah. Now let's go ahead and get our 4 cups of chicken broth. I got low sodium chicken broth. You can use whatever you like. Let's just mix that up. Make sure everything is everything. Everything is where it needs to be. Now let's go ahead. Throw your chicken in there. Look at that. Yeah, get that chicken in there, baby. There we go. Just mix it in. Now let's throw our sausage in there. Same thing. Let's just get that sausage mixed in. There we go. Yeah. We're gonna bring it to a boil. And of course, let's hit it with some Cajun seasoning, baby. Gotta have that flavor. Cajun seasoning. There we go. There we go. Now we're just gonna do the same thing. Mix that on up in there too. Look at that. Looks delicious. Yeah. There we go. It's the jambalaya, y'all. Now let's go ahead and turn our heat down to medium low. We're just gonna let this thing simmer, let this rice cook. We're gonna come back in about 10 minutes. Let's make sure we're stirring it like this here. Make sure ain't nothing sticking. Let's put the lid back on it. Cook for about another 10 minutes. And bam, look at that. Chicken and sausage, jambalaya. Yeah. All right, family, when it's all said and done, it is all said and done. Yeah. Check us out. Check us out. That jambalaya, baby. Look at that. That jambalaya. Look at that. Get that focus. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. That's what we did today, baby. That's what we did today. Let's dig in, let's taste it, see what we made, and we're gonna be all done, baby. Yeah. I gotta get a little piece of sausage. Gotta get a little piece of chicken. One bite. Yeah, there you go. Good old bite. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Man. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone.